Traders Anthony here. We're looking at US oil now. Have a look at this. We've got this break of this previous low here. We can see that this has been trending down on the weekly chart. At this point, I'm looking for a potential short sell opportunity. So what we'll do is we'll mark up the chart and have a look and see what's possible. Now, here's the thing about this. Have a look back here. See these lows? See how this is trading into this level here at the moment? We've got stops resting under here. Stops resting under here. Be careful. I'm expecting this to, well, it's already had a go at it here. It's retraced, and I would expect this to hit these stops again. Have a look at it on the daily, but let's just mark up this green candle. So we've got this green weekly distribution right there. We'll just mark that up. This is our liquidity pool under here. Like, if it runs into this, it's quite likely that it'll retrace. So let's just go to the daily time frame. That's evident here as well on the daily. So we've got this range down under here, under these lows here. See these wicks? I would think that there's a good chance. I mean, this could hit these stops and then pull back. Now, where did this originate from? Have a look back up in here. Now we've got this weekly, but we've also got this daily candle here, distribution level. So we'll just mark that up, and I'll give you my entry criteria. So we've got this weekly daily combo. Yeah, I mean, even a pullback up into here would be okay for me. This is not discounted here, guys. Have a look at this. Like, look at this trend. Let's just pick up the fib retrace. If we pull, we're looking for short opportunity. If we pull this down even to here, a pullback at this point would set up a short in this discounted zone up here. Let's just assume this trades down to these lows, down to here. A pullback into here. See, you don't want to be getting into the market where retail traders are piling in, and that's what they're doing through here. You want to have a look at this. Smart money will be selling in through here. Where do you think they're going to unload when they hit liquidity? And then where do you think they're going to pick up again if they're invested short? There's a liquidity range under here. Let me just grab this parallel channel. You see these lows here, and this coincides with this weekly bearish distribution. So this is a key area for me for a retrace. I'd be looking to get short up in here. That would be my thing. So I'll be setting up a short position anywhere above this red 50% zone in towards the 61.8. But yeah, around the low of this weekly. So look, even in here, just as long as it's above this 50 at least, then we've got a stop loss above the previous high. And then, what do we do after that? Well, we go for broke with your risk reward. But the thing that I'll be doing is I'll be looking to close, if that's an entry, I'll be looking to close 2/3 of my position. Yeah, I would even prefer to close up here. I would look at closing 2/3 of my position around here. This would be T1. See this here, around here? So that's going to be T1 for me. It's not quite a 1-to-1 risk reward, which I would have preferred, but let's just do that. Yeah, I'd have to have my stop loss above here. And then where are we going to go in terms of our targets? Well, let's have a look and see what we got here. We've got this down in here. I reckon if this is bearish, they're going to be targeting liquidity under this range, under these lows over here. So that's a target. So I'm good with that, somewhere down in there. Retrace, entry short, and that would be my ultimate target. Well, not really, not my ultimate target. Let's just, go to town with this thing. Hang on. Here we go. Right down in here. That would be my ultimate target. So let's, that's the kind of risk reward you want, guys. You take 2/3 off, trail the rest. By the way, guys, if you haven't already, click the link below and jump on board our free Telegram group. Something like that, yeah, with a ultimate target down in here, and that's about a 5. Yeah, look, 5, 6 to 1. That's the kind of thing that I'm looking for. Let's round it off at a 6 to 1 risk reward. That's nice. So I'll take 2/3 off here, leave a third in, pull the stop loss down to be in the money, let it run, and if you did that back up in here, what would that look like? Not bad, huh? That's a huge payout, guys. So that's my take on oil at the moment. With that, comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and I will just do that. See you in the next one.